This is the 2022 range of integrated motorhomes from Mobilvetta Design. This is the Kia integrated line. It says up there from 73,740 euros. That's a load of nonsense. Nobody in the history of motorhomes has ever paid the price it says from. So the price will be something else. You might be able to negotiate it to that, but you'll never find it at that price. Now, bearing that in mind, the price we've now got here is 80,828, and one of the reasons why you will never get it from is the transport costs, which are 1,690. So unless you go to the factory yourself and pick it up, and they'll still probably charge you the transport costs. 747 centimeters long, 235 wide, 295. You can put it from 3.5 tons, 3,160 kilos, ready to go. Leaves you 340, and 340 with 4 people inside is not really an option, in my opinion. Right, so integrated van. You've got this enormous bed up here, very nice lighting around it. Here we have a design which is very similar in all the Mobilvetta design vehicles in 2022. Let's come to the back. Also, it's got a design which you will see in other vehicles. If you want to see any other vehicles after seeing this one, you might say, well, I've just seen that one, that's enough for me. Wardrobe on either side, storage above, and there's a headboard. I do like these pockets though. There's a little bit of a plus mark for these pockets. You can keep probably keep something in there. Don't know what you could keep in there, hairpins or something, I suppose. And you've got this really ingenious device here. Now this is the bed, as you probably gathered. It's a queen bed, and this queen bed has these chest of drawers in it. So there you go. There's what sort of a drawer looks like. You've got steps up to it, and if you push this door, you can sort of get an idea of how easy it is or not to get past. You can lift this up. Oh, if you've got a lot of strength. Oh, I thought you could lift that up. I can't. Right, now the ingenious thing is these sliding doors here, and this really is absolutely brilliant, because what you do is you pull it out, and oh, it just come a bit further. Okay. Oh well, we'll try the other one. And pulling out, this one comes out as well, further than it should go. Oh dear, I don't know, bother with that anymore. Right, so anyway, the good news about those things is if you get a van like this, they'll be broken in a couple of weeks, so you won't have that problem any longer. Right, shower here, and can't demonstrate it. Well, no water in it, that's why. Duckboard down there, which holds this in place, which is rather flimsy. In here, got a toilet with a very nice mirror, and there you can see me in the mirror. And I think we've got the lights on. Have we got the lights on? Yes, the lights certainly were on. I thought there might be some more. Good. Let's come back into the main part of the van. Kitchen has got a sink. This rather daft 2-piece, whatever it is, cover. I don't understand the point of that. There may be a point, I don't know. I haven't got a degree in 2-piece covers for sinks. 3 burners, and around here we have this wonderful storage. So, what's down here? There you have Fiat 6-speed manual gearbox. You can have an automatic one if you want. And I've got to say this as well, I do rather like the sideboard down here. I like the way the blue light from above falls on top of it. I think that's quite good. And you just sideboard, you can keep some sort of foreign coins and junk you don't know what to do with it. Now it's got a step there. It's got a step there. Down here we have the double floor. About 20 centimeters deep. Now, double floor is a good idea, of course, but why couldn't have had a flat floor all the way to the back? Well, possibly because they didn't want to push the thing up any further. That could be one reason. And as now the, oh no, I can't open that. Oh, I see, I can't open this because the thing's broken there. Right, well, there you go. And as far as the freezer's concerned, you've seen them before, so you won't need to see it now. Because it's broken. Somebody probably come in and yanked it off. Anything up here? Anything I've missed? Yes, this. I can't remember what that is. I can't remember what it is, so I'm not gonna touch it anymore. But it's something. Well, whatever it is, it might come back to me sometime in the future, although I doubt it. Right, okay. There's this van. Now, when I did a live show from here, and somebody suggested that the Mobilvetta designs weren't built but thrown together. I mean, they look really nice, but it does have a bit of this reputation of not being particularly well built, which is a pity because it's at the very top of, not quite the top of the Trigano group, but maybe EuraMobil's the #1 brand, followed by Mobilvetta. Why don't I take you for a little walk around? I'll show you a Kia P whilst I'm here. This two are standing next to each other, so they could well be the pair in integrated and semi-integrated for homes. So this one's semi-integrated, got a bed up here instead of over the driver's part, and the bed at the back here. This bit's all the same, completely the same. And shower here. This bed will drop down. Yeah, I'll show you dropping down. So there you have it. That's how the bed drops down. The other one I couldn't do because I need two hands, but fortunately this one is electric. I can do it with just one finger whilst holding the hand. I was holding the camera with my other hand. Yeah, put it back over in. So you have the two vans together, integrated and semi-integrated. This one, if I remember right, is 72,000. Is it? No, it's not. Yes, it is. It is. Sorry, I got it right. 72,747 centimeters in length. So the integrated one is more expensive, but it's very difficult to actually tell. It's not a fair comparison because it's the equipment levels, and there's lots of things you can't see. So comparing price is never a good idea, in my opinion. So that is Mobilvetta Design's Kia integrated for the 2022 season. Thanks for watching, and I've got the full range here, maybe not for 2022 but from previous years, everything together, you would actually find on this channel the full range of Mobilvetta design. Thanks for watching.